In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your recovery phrase from your Phantom wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so from here we need to open up our Phantom wallet and then make sure to authenticate or sign in. Then from here we need to click onto our account on the top of the page here, and then we need to click on the gear icon and then click on to account. And then from here, we inside edit account, and on the fourth option, it says show recovery phrase. So go ahead and click onto that. And then it will say keep your recovery phrase secret. Your recovery phrase will provide access to this account. Think of it as a login and password combined into one. So go ahead and click on I will not share my recovery phrase with any third-party person, website, application. So click that and then click on continue. Then you need to authenticate again, most likely. And now here's your recovery phrase for your account. So if you want to store this in a different place, go ahead and click on copy to clipboard and paste it to a note or a text document, or write it down offline and keep it a secret and do not show anyone. But this is just for demonstration purposes, so I don't mind this being on the internet myself. But if this is my proper wallet, there's no way I'll be sharing this online or with any friends or family, so keep that in mind, because it's, yeah, your recovery phrase is your password and login pretty much all tied into one.